Hey, welcome to The Explainer. What if I told you that you could go from just an idea to a fully produced, ready-to-publish video in, get this, just 20 minutes? It's not science fiction. It's the new reality. And if that sounds like something you want to master, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button for @BrandTechAuth right now so you don't miss a thing.
Now, that quote you're seeing, that's not some huge media company with a massive budget. That's from the AI Garage, talking about a single, totally anonymous YouTube channel. Just think about that. We're talking about the incredible, almost unbelievable potential of AI-powered content. And today, right here, we're giving you the exact blueprint, step by step, so you can do it too. All right, here's our game plan. We're going to dive into this faceless video goldmine. Then, I'll walk you through the 3 key steps: nailing the script, getting the perfect voice, and then putting it all together to create your own 20-minute masterpiece. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, what exactly is a faceless channel? And why is this trend just completely exploding all over our social media feeds?
So a faceless video is basically content that puts the message, the story, right in the spotlight. You, the creator, don't have to be on screen. Instead of needing fancy cameras or a whole editing crew, creators are using these new AI tools to just leapfrog over all the traditional hurdles. You know, the high costs, the technical stuff. It's all about the content.
Think about how it used to be, right? You needed expensive editors, maybe animators, sound specialists, the whole 9 yards. The new way? Well, it's AI-powered tools that let you create pro-level content in just minutes. This isn't just a small tweak, you guys. This is a massive shift that has totally leveled the playing field. It means right now, today, anyone with a great idea can be a creator.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Every great video, every viral hit, it all starts with a powerful script. But here's the real game changer. What used to be the absolute hardest part of this whole process is now, thanks to AI, one of the easiest. Seriously.
You don't have to guess what people want to watch. The secret is to stop guessing and start using data. Go find successful channels in your niche, look at their most viewed videos. That right there, that's your clue. That's the audience telling you exactly what they're hungry for. You know, like that economy of China example from the AI Garage? It pulled in over 800,000 views. That's not luck, that's strategy.
Okay, so once you've got your killer topic, you're going to use this dead simple 3-part prompt formula in a tool like ChatGPT. First, you tell it the length you want. Then, you give it a little sample of the style you're going for. And finally, you just state your topic. Boom! In seconds, you get an engaging, totally original script ready to go.
Okay, script, check. Now you need a voice to bring those words to life. And the best part? You can forget about spending hundreds on a fancy microphone or trying to soundproof your closet.
Look, the absolute key to making this work, to making successful faceless content, is authenticity. And that starts with the voice. If it sounds robotic and fake, people click away. But today's AI voices, they're on another level. We're talking natural inflection, emotion. They're so good they're often totally indistinguishable from a real human narrator. That's the goal. And here's a fantastic pro tip from the AI Garage that's going to save you time and, well, credits. Before you generate the entire audio, just test one sentence. This lets you tweak the pacing and the tone to get it just right, so you nail it on the first try without wasting anything.
Now this is where it gets really, really cool. You're not just a passive user here, you're basically the director of this AI voice. Check this out. By using super simple text tricks, like ellipses for pauses, all caps for emphasis, or even these little bracketed tags for emotions, you can control the entire performance. You can get a truly professional level delivery all just by typing. All right, we've got our script, we've got our voiceover, now it's time for the fun part, building the actual video. Let's bring it all together.
So, how do you get the visuals? It's easy. You basically create a simple shot list. Break your script into scenes, and for each little scene, you figure out a keyword for stock footage. You can pop that keyword into a site like Pixabay, or you can use a prompt to have an AI generate the perfect custom visual for you. Super straightforward. Okay, hang on. Before we go any further, I need you to really look at this number, 85%. According to research, a staggering 85% of social media videos are watched with the sound off. Let that sink in. That changes everything about how we should build our videos. And that number right there, that's exactly why captions are your most important visual element. They are not optional anymore, they're absolutely essential. They keep people watching. So you use your editor's auto caption feature, You style them so they're super clear and easy to read, and then you add in some simple zoom effects and transitions to keep the screen moving. That's how you hold attention, with or without sound. So we've just walked through a whole workflow that you can genuinely do in under 20 minutes, from a blank page to a finished video. But the big question is, does it actually work? Well, the data says a resounding yes, and it all comes down to a little bit of psychology. You see, here's why so many standard educational videos actually fail. It's something called the illusion of learning. You know the feeling, right? You passively watch a video and you feel like you're learning, like you're absorbing all this great info. But in reality, very little of it actually sticks.
But the method we've laid out, it's designed to beat that trap. By breaking the content down into small, digestible pieces, a technique called chunking, you're working with your viewer's natural attention span, not against it. It's like you're feeding them bite-sized pieces of information that are easy to remember, instead of trying to force-feed them a 5-course meal all at once.
And look, the proof is right here in the data. A study by Nice Media found that this exact kind of approach, combining visuals with a clear, guided voiceover, boosted audience retention by over 61%. So just remember, this isn't just about making videos faster, it's about making them fundamentally more effective at getting your message across.
So there you have it, the complete blueprint. This is a repeatable system you can use to create high-quality, super engaging faceless videos, and you can do it quickly and, most importantly, effectively. The only question left is, what story are you going to tell?